Hey guys, today I am, you could clearly see it by the title, my, my boy over here, my real life classmate is actually, a YouTuber with only 6 subscribers. Ugh, that's painful. But, yeah, let's just review him watching a toaster. No, hopefully the internet works.
Hi, today we're going to be making peanut butter sandwich. I mean toast. Okay, let's go over here. Right.
And also the witch is spelled wrong.
Okay, what you need for this is 2 pieces of bread or any number of your choice.
No, my boy's chin. Why does it look so round? You need a serial killer knife. You need multiple pieces of bread. You need a skeleton t-shirt. You need whatever that's called. You need a cutting board and wait, how does my guy get all of this?
This is 2 pieces of bread or any number of your choice.
That's just weird. Okay, let's just search around his surroundings. So you got those things, you got whatever this is, you got a deadly knife, you got his chin, you got it looks like he's going to rip it apart for some reason. And you already got a used
I'm just gonna wait for you because bye bye guys.
bye. Whatever this is. I'm still waiting, so I might stop it right there, but not finish the video. Hey, so, I switched to the part. I forgot to start recording, but, yeah, I'm already 7 minutes in, and it was all because of the toaster. Yes, it took him 6 minutes. And next he had to put this on, and, you know. Also, people with OCD is going to be very angry because of his cutting skills.
I'm bad at cutting. Okay,
Oh.
did that. Now the next one. Like
That crunch is good, but the way he cuts it makes me feel weird. Wait a second. What type of knife is he using? Okay, yeah.
Now this is where our plate comes in.
Wait a second. Yeah, that was the entire video, and maybe subscribe. I was standing in this corner for the entire time. They might hear me, but I'm at a party. But watch me do it. I told you I'm a mad lad. And also, he only has 6 subscribers, so he probably has 5 now.